I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com. We're here to do our kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. You know, we really stepped it up this week. The helmet I'm about to pull out, it's not only kick-ass, but it's got some real American racing heritage to it. This is the Arai Corsair X Russell helmet, okay? Scott Russell, Mr. Daytona, 5 Daytona wins, Superbike champion all over the globe, and all around bad motherfucker. This is Jimmy Fox's personal helmet, and I gotta say, just like with that Leprechaun, baby, this thing looks even better in person than it does online. It's really hard to photograph a helmet. You'll see Jimmy added the Arai red mirror shield. This, of course, is going to ship with a clear. There you have it. Badass helmet graphic of the week from STG.